Ever thought you could grow your own colorful crystals right in your kitchen? Let's make science shine. First, we create a supersaturated solution. By dissolving alum into hot water, we push the liquid to its absolute limit, forcing it to hold more solute than it normally could. Drop some food coloring into 3 cups. Place the bamboo sticks into each cup for the crystals to grow on. And now we let thermodynamics do the rest. The rough bamboo surface acts as a nucleation site, allowing alum crystals to grow as the solution cools. Look at this. This alum crystal is crystal clear.